I love making comfort foods in a healthy, wholesome manner. So how would you like to know how to make raw vegan pad thai that's absolutely delicious? Hi, I'm Joann. I'm a certified raw vegan chef, and I've been uncooking since 2010. We're here to help you in going more raw to restore energy and immunity. If you're excited about learning to make more comfort foods in a healthy manner, hit the like button right now. Today I'm going to be making pad thai, and I've got to give you a little bit of a backstory on that. We just got back from a nice trip to Naples, Florida, where it was 85 degrees when instead of being 40 and 30 up here, and we really enjoyed it. And Kenny was just in heaven because he found a lot of raw vegan restaurants that we could go to. We were really excited about going to those. Well, he found this one. He was really wanting pad thai, and they said everything was good and raw, and it was, but the ingredients listed on the menu said it was made with peanuts. In reality, it was made with cashews. So he basically had pad thai without the pad thai sauce, which was not very good. So I promised him when we came back I would make him a raw vegan pad thai that he could eat. And I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So first we want to make the sauce, and what we did was we made some peanut butter, raw peanut butter, and all it was peanuts, raw peanuts, and salt. That's it. And put it in the Vitamix and blended it until it got to peanut butter consistency. So we're going to put that in the blender. And then you want some medjool dates. That I've cut those up. They're pretty sticky, so I didn't have to soak those. So I'm going to put those in. The juice of an orange. Some lemon juice. Some lime juice. A little bit of ginger. And garlic cloves. I think that's about 2. And some red chili flakes. If you have the fresh red chilies, you can use those, but I didn't have those. I couldn't find those in the store today, so I went ahead and just used what I had. So now what we're going to do is we're going to blend that up.
What Asian dish would you like us to remake for you? Comment below.
Okay, we've got the sauce made, and now I'm going to assemble it and show you how it goes and how to plate it up. We've got our zucchini noodles that I have spiralized and put some salt on to loosen them up and soften them up a bit, and I rinse those. We're going to put the carrots in, the bean sprouts. These are mung bean sprouts. The cilantro. I'm going to mix that all together. I'm going to put a few of the scallions in with it and use the rest for garnish. It's already looking really pretty and colorful. And now we'll pour the sauce in. And if your sauce gets too thick for what you like, you can add water, a little bit of water while you're blending. But by the time you mix it in with the vegetables, it's gonna loosen up too. Just mix this all together.
Download our free 5-day meal plan in the description below.
I wish y'all could smell this. It smells so good. Fresh veggies and spices. Now we're going to plate it up.
Stick around to the end to see what Kenny has to say about this dish he's been waiting for.
Okay, and now we're going to put some scallions and some extra cilantro, and garnish it with some little lime wedges. And I think Kenny's going to be happy with this. Raw vegan pad thai. Oh yeah, you're home. Look what I made for you, just like promised.
That looks
Raw
delicious.
vegan pad thai.
And no cashews.
Right. You think I'd hurt my baby?
That's right.
Okay.
So who makes pad thai with cashews instead of peanuts?
You want to have a taste test?
Yes, I do.
You've been wanting this for 2 weeks.
Gotta get some cilantro in there too.
Yeah, you're the cilantro man. Is it a winner?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I'll have to try it too. I didn't even taste it yet. No, it's very good. That is very good.
It is delicious and messy. Delicious.
And it's just so good. It's so refreshing, so healthy for you.
And it has a nice bite to it too.
It does.
What is the spice in there?
It's the red chili peppers and ginger.
Oh yeah, that tastes good.
They will definitely give it the kick.
And pad thai is supposed to be a little spicy, so it's really good.
And if you don't want it that spicy, just cut down on the amount of ginger or even leave the red pepper flakes out if you don't want that. That's fine too. But Kenny likes his stuff hot.
Oh yeah, just like you.
Aww.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so that you don't miss any future videos. We make videos every week with healthy tips and recipes to get you to your best health yet. Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.